Hello everyone, this is Namit. Welcome to the Nifty Ki Chaal series. So talking about our last strategy, that is a ratio spread we created last week. It gave a 1% profit on the capital deployed. So the capital deployed was approximately 1.5 lakhs and you got a profit of 1500. During the expiry, your profit was approximately 2000 rupees, but then market had a bit fall and yes, you got the 1% return which we wanted. The market was once again trapped in our maximum profit zone, but it expired in the flat line. That is the 1% return. It didn't even touch our break even, so we didn't need to do any adjustment as well. And on the downside, yes, no downside risk because it was a ratio spread on the call side. So over here you can say we didn't need to do any adjustment. We got 1% profit and yes, so this strategy was also successful for the previous week. So now talking about this week. So let's come to the charts first of all. So what do the charts tell me? So let's come to the 15-minute time frame. Over here we had a bearish engulfing at 13138 levels approximately. That was a previous resistance. So this is the first support because market has broken that. And yes, if you can see over here, the resistance has become a support right now of the market. That is 13138 levels. And the second support would be the second engulfing which market had created, which is these levels, that is 12,960. So these two would be our first and the second supports. That is, I will write it over here, which is 13,138 levels, right? This is 13,138 levels and second support is at 12,960. So these two are the supports. On the top side, we are running on all-time high, right? So I cannot see any resistance, nor I want to create any resistance levels with any Fibo levels. So over here, my view is that market has two supports, 13,138 and 12,960, as I can see on the charts. If I move to 30-minute time frame, the things are same, or you can say you can add one more support, that is 12,800. Yes, but we don't need to create that because that is very far level right now. But still I will write it for our better understanding. So these three I can see are the supports. Let's switch to 1 day time frame. On the 1 day time frame, if I can see anything, this is the low of hammer, got it. This is 12,960, low of one more hammer, got it. 13,138 was the previous resistance, that is this bearish engulfing and this hammer like pattern. So this becomes the support right now because we have broken that. So yes, these three are the supports right now in the market. On the top side, nothing as such because we don't know where the market can stop right now. So keeping this view in mind, that is market has 13,138 and 12,960 support, and on the top side we don't know the resistance right now. So over here I will write it 12,960 till upside. This becomes my major outlook for the next week. So I want a strategy that fits this outlook. Keeping this view in mind, let's switch to our strategy builder. So here I am on the Opstra strategy builder. As I know 12,960 is a support, I will sell 13,000 put, which is one lot. And if market breaks 12,960, market can go 160 points down to 12,800. So hence I would buy a tight hedge over here. That is, I will buy 12,950. So what I have done over here is I have created a bull put spread. But over here if you can see, the risk reward ratio is very wrong. That is, for 3,400 risk which you will take, you would just get 330 rupees, which is just 1% on the capital of 30,000. So to counter this risk, that is 3,500 rupees risk and just a profit of 330, what I need to do is I need to reduce my risk and increase my profits. So this can be done by selling a 13,500 call option. Now my strategy looks something like this. So now what does this do? So this strategy looks like an iron condor without a hedge on the call side. Over here I had a fear of 12,960. I got a break even of 12,980 approximately to those levels, and on the upside I am giving market 300 points to go upside. That is, I am giving market 300 points range on the upside, and on the downside also I am giving it 300 point range. So this was the break even which I have calculated. Now let's come to the profits. About the profits, the center range is giving me 1700 rupees. 1700 rupees is 1.5% of the capital deployed, which is 1,40,000 to 1,50,000 rupees. So 1,40,000 is the capital required for this strategy because you are having a naked selling option over here, right? Because this is not an iron condor. So over here, this strategy is giving 1.5% returns from the range of 12,978 to 13,522. So this is a 600 point range and market is exactly in the middle right now. Now what is the risk reward of this strategy? Yes, the loss will be undefined because you are selling a naked call option. But practically what we are taking as the stop loss and the risk on the downside, let's discuss that. So over here, the downside risk has 2000 rupees loss, right? So 2000 rupees is approximately 1.5% only. The risk reward ratio on the downside risk is almost 1:1 or below 1:1. But you are getting a range of 600 points in this strategy and hence the risk reward ratio is 1:1 or below on the downside. What you can modify in this strategy is 2000 rupees is the loss. It is showing right now. What you can do is to decrease the upside break even from 13,522, you can do 13,450 strike price call selling. So what that will do is that would reduce your upper break even by 40 points. But what it will do is it will reduce your loss from 2000 to 13,588. So that would make the strategy at a risk reward of 1:2 right now. How? Because you would get more credit by selling the call option, and you would reduce your loss on the downside by getting more credit from the call option, that is more profit from the call option. Enter profit is 2400 and your downside loss is 1400. So basically a risk reward of 1:1.5 and above. So on the downside you don't need to do anything. 1400 rupees is the loss even if market goes to zero. So this was the strategy part. Now as usual, let's come to the adjustment part. Adjustment part first we'll discuss on the downside. On the downside, you are having a fixed loss of 2000 right now. So to counter this loss, what we can do is when the market breaks 13,100, you can reduce this strike to 13,350 levels. That is, you are reducing this strike to 150 points or below. So what will happen is even if the market goes to the downside, what will happen is even if market falls, obviously you will not get these kind of premiums when market fall. But what this will do is this will make your strategy approximately to no loss. You would not get 1000 rupees profit, but yes, you can remove the strategy at 500 to 700 rupees loss even if market goes to zero. So this is a beautiful adjustment to this bull put spread. Okay, so this was the first adjustment on the downside, that you have to reduce your strike of call selling by 200 points. So this was the first option. Now the only risk over here is do not make your call selling position below 13,100 levels, because even if market reverses, the call option will give you loss and the bull put spread will not give you much profit. So we have to keep this call option very far from the spot. So hence I said that when the market goes 13,100 and below, then we will short 13,350 level call. That is, then we will make this strategy a no loss strategy on the downside. We don't want upside risk. As I said in the charts, you don't have upside break even. You don't have resistance on the top side right now because we are making a higher high right now. And that is why we don't want risk on the upside. Hence, we just are taking profits from the upside to reduce our loss on the downside. So this was the adjustment on the downside. Now on the upside. On the upside, what I want you to see is, first of all, look at this. You are getting 330 rupees from the untested side, because now I am talking about the upside break even. You are getting 330 points, that is approximately 5 to 6 points on the bull put spread. Your first stop loss on 13,500 call option becomes 25 rupees. That is the profits made of the bull put spread, and hence that is the stop loss of the 13,500. By first stop loss, I mean is you have to be very strict on the call side, not exiting the position. So when this becomes 25 rupees, that is the profits which you will get at the expiry are being absorbed by the 13,500 call selling. That is, it is having loss right now. So what you will do is, when the market breaches this first stop loss, you have to make this spread 150 points on the upside. That is, you will take this to 13,100 and here you would take this as 13,150. You may be getting 6-7 points odd or more. You have to again take the stop loss. Again means the second stop loss. This becomes the first stop loss. Now the second stop loss is how much? Second stop loss is of the profits. Now what is the profits here? Profits may be 5 to 6 points more of the second adjustment. That is, when you take this adjustment now, you would get 5 to 6 points more. So when you get 5 to 6 points more, your stop loss on the 13,500 call option will become 30 to 32 rupees. If market breaches this, then you need to simply exit the strategy. Exit the strategy, that is, market goes top side, you don't have issue, you would take the stop loss on this call option and the profits would be made by the bull put spread. This 5 to 6 rupees would be gained in quick time. So you don't have to worry that market gives you the stop loss on the call option and then it reverses and your bull put are also in loss. No, that won't be the case in this strategy, because this is a far strike. 13,500 is very far right now and 13,000 put is also very far right now. To realize profits, that is 5 to 6 rupees, and to take a stop loss on the call option, it would take no quick time, that is 1 day or 2 days on the maximum. So this strategy is having a fixed profit and a fixed loss. You don't have to look at these graphs right now, because these graphs are theoretically right, but eventually you are taking a stop loss on the call option. So over here, you would approximately take 700 odd rupees in the total strategy loss, not more than that. That is approximately 1%. But the major point of this strategy is that market if stays in between, you are getting a 1.5 to 2% return on the strategy if market stays in this range. Let me take you to the initial strategy, that is 13,000 put and 12,950 put option. So this was the initial strategy with a 600 point break even, with the adjustment and the stop loss, a 1.5 lakh margin strategy, a 1.5% return strategy, and the loss is also 1%, which is defined by our stop loss on the call side, and on the downside we don't have any issue, we will just reduce our strike of the call option. So this was the strategy for the coming week. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you with the next strategy.